Hey everybody, my name is Joe Howe. I'm a manager at Crypto Tax Girl, and today I want to show you the site Stake.tax. This site is so helpful and it can save you so much time on your reconciliation and data entry process if you are doing your own crypto taxes. And if you're having someone else do your crypto taxes, this can also really help if you provide the CSVs to them so they don't have to do this work, so you can save money and time that way as well. So jumping in, let's look at the Stake.tax site. As you can see here, there's a bunch of different blockchains up top that you can pull a CSV for. So if we just wanted to look at an example here, we'll look at an Osmo chain, and I'll grab my Osmo wallet, put that in. And this is going to spin, and it's going to gather all the data that it needs to gather to pull a proper CSV with all of the transactions that you have on your specific wallet. In this case, we're looking at an Osmo wallet. All right, so when it's done, it'll give you this screen that says CSV is ready, and then you can click Open CSV, and it'll pull you to a new tab here. And this is just going to show you a summary of all the transactions. This isn't super important to look through, but you can see it's got all your transactions going back to when you started using this wallet. Now, the amazing part about Stake.tax is that you can now click this button, Download CSV, and whatever tax software you are using, there should be a option for that tax software, and it'll export a CSV that you can then just pop into your tax software. So since we use coin tracking right now, we're going to do a coin tracking CSV. And then we're going to treat the LP deposits and withdrawals as transfers. And then I'll click download. And this should download a CSV right here. And then I can go into my coin tracking account, and I can go to enter coins, bulk imports right here. And easy as pie, I can drag, drop that in, continue to import. And boom, no errors, no nothing. I can just load this right in and my data will be clean and loaded in. So I'll go start import, CSV import done. And that's as simple as it gets, right? All you got to do is put your wallet address in there. You can export that CSV and then pop it right into whatever crypto tax software you are using. So like I said in the beginning, this is super helpful, super useful. And just to go back and show you, look at all the different chains that are on here. So if you're using any of these different chains and wallets, you can load that wallet address in here, get that CSV, load it right into the software that you're using. If you've got any questions about this, please do not hesitate to reach out to us anytime. You can shoot Laura or myself an email, and I'll provide those in the description. Or if you want to do a consultation, you can also check those out as well. And we also have a crypto tax course that covers our process front to back, so you can check that out as well. And I'll link all that in the description of the video. Thank you guys.